Hello, fellow YouTubers. Today is a day I'm sure 14,333 of you have been waiting for. Today is the day that I make another video. Now this video is going to be revolutionary amongst the YouTube population of Venus. Meow. So today what we're going to do is we are going to make toaster waffles in the microwave. Step 1, you're gonna need a plate. Step 2, you're gonna need a toaster waffle. Step 3, you're gonna need to get some syrup. Step 5, you're kinda gonna need a microwave. Okay, so first what you gotta do is take the waffle and put it on the plate, okay? Then you gotta take syrup, okay? And you gotta put syrup on the frozen waffle. Just like that. Yeah, get it nice in there. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay, then you take this waffle. You're gonna need to put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. Just be 1 second. Okay guys, so now you gotta take your plate with your waffle and syrup on it, and you gotta open the microwave. You gotta put it in the microwave. You gotta set it for 10 minutes. Okay, so the hash browns are almost done. It'll be done in exactly 5 seconds. Let's see how she looks. Oh, that's nice. We've got, oh yeah. Now you gotta flip it over. And now you're gonna need to get yourself some margarine. Now I've got myself some margarine. Perfect! Now we gotta put it back in the microwave for 10 minutes. Okay, so now it's almost done. We've got exactly 5 seconds left. Now it's done. Let's check and see how it is. Oh wow, some of the butter didn't even melt. Let's pick it up and give it a little shake. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna get ourselves a fork. Now you're gonna need a bowl, because this is pretty much soup. Once in the bowl, hit it rapidly with the fork. And eventually, it'll turn into soup. Now there's a few more steps before it's going to be complete. We're going to need to grab some milk. I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm using Silk Fortified Soy Beverage. But you can use whatever you choose. You're going to want to put enough milk just to cover the waffle. Yum. Perfect. Now we're gonna eat it. The last step of this recipe is to eat the waffle. Another great recipe. Just drinking's the milk. Yum! Well, I'm pretty much done, so I'll see you next time when I make another great recipe, right after I go and get my stomach churned.